We will be going to see the Little Ray's reptile zoo today. I wanted to give a shout out to my friends for going with me and my aunt for going with me. And also my other friend for telling me about it. I will be putting a link in the description to their websites if you want to know anything about them. That's it. Here we go.
The world's largest gecko.
There you go. So all these are and now I can look at the camera and when the person would like to,
I don't want to
you can't even be allergic to this. Bruno Hansen. Wow, that's very cool. Maybe around 10 feet.
Skinnier than his
Guys, I'm going to talk about this a little bit. I'd like to fight there's really stand side together.
Like that's just her face. Like I can't change her face. Exactly. Yeah, so obviously the pens in traveling are a little bit smaller because we don't want them to get injured. She's outside. We'll be able to pet her.
Yeah, the largest snakes we ever had were these.
Oh, wow.
I know, right?
Forest to try and be as natural as possible. And luckily, they're fine with us, they're fine with humans, so we can use them to teach you about these wonderful, wonderful animals. So, we're going to go just about wrap up our Aurora. Her sister Avery, they came to us because they were born in a facility in northern Quebec that didn't know that these animals were going to be born. They tried to prevent it, and alas, it just happened. They had nowhere to put the dad bobcat, and dad bobcats will actually have we save the animals? Yeah, so how we save the animals is any of you guys who sees an animal on the road or in your backyard, an animal that's injured or orphaned, you can call a wildlife center, something like us, and we can help heal the animal, fix up their cuts. If they're too young to be on their own, we can give them milk and food, and then we put them back out in the wild when they're all healthy. And we do that because we believe that each animal is very important to the ecosystem it's a part of. Each animal has a purpose for being there, and each animal has developed the perfect way for them to live, and if an animal is out there, it's meant to be there. So we want to make sure, because humans and wildlife are interacting so much now, and these animals don't know how to deal with it sometimes. So we want to make sure that we help these animals as much as we can, make sure that they live the life that they deserve to live before they had interactions with humans. So that's what we do at our center. And people ask, you know, it's just a squirrel, it's just a bunny, but think of all the reasons I just said. Every squirrel and every bunny is important. And to us, these animals might seem a little like, oh, I see those every day. But think of people all around the world. An example I like to give, my sister's husband's from Australia. He doesn't really see squirrels. He came and lived with us for a little while, and he thought the squirrels were the weirdest thing, and the raccoons, and all of those things. He would just watch them. But to him, kangaroos were like, it's a kangaroo. So where you're from, it's all different. We want to make sure that you guys love the animals that live in our own backyards. We learn about the ones that we can impact the most and have the most effect on. So that's why we're teaching you guys about wildlife from right here in Ontario. All right, so what we're going to do is talk to you about a couple different types of animals, and then we will bring out animals for you that are, again, found in our own backyards. And we'll have a lot of guests in, so you guys want to be nice and interactive with you guys, all right? So the first animal we're going to talk about is a herbivore. Does anyone know what a herbivore eats? Yeah? Plants, yeah, herbivores only eat plants. They'll eat vegetables, fruits, leaves, trees, grass, all that kind of stuff. So a herbivore, we can tell an animal is a herbivore a lot of the time by looking at their teeth. So if we look at the teeth of this